Welcome to the presentation of the functionalities for the application for tourism development in Macedonia. In the next couple of minutes, we will introduce you how to find and choose historical monuments in your surrounding area. This application provides many different types of researching, locating, and overview to all points of interest on the map. We are going to use Query widget to find and overview some historical monuments. Turn this widget on by clicking on the icon and selecting Target Feature Class for searching. When the target class is set, click on Apply. This type of searching provides an overview to all points of interest contained in the selected category. Their location is shown on the map, as well as the list of their main information. Click on the required object if you want to choose and zoom into the map. In addition, we can search points of interest using predefined location point. Turn the widget Find Point of Interest on, and in the search box type the name of the object which is nearest to you. For searching distance, type 500 meters and click on Search Nearby. As a result, we get a list of points of interest grouped by categories. By selecting any of these points, application can navigate you to the selected object. We hope that our advices will be beneficial to you for creating your journey. Enjoy!